Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. I've just returned from a super freezing cold outside, so you maybe can still see that I'm overall red in my face, so no makeup. And yeah, it is Wednesday and I'm actually due to upload a video, but I need to confess that I'm a bit off behind my voiceovers. I did prepare some videos, but just didn't get it finished yet. But of course I wanted to say hi with this little video today. And there are a couple of things that I have planned for the weekend. First thing is that we are going to cross the 20,000 subscribers way quicker than I expected. So thank you so much for everyone who joined just recently. And if you're a new subscriber and just have recently joined my channel, please have a look at all my other videos. There are so many already. And I already made a playlist which is called Awesome Results, which you may want to start with because this might be the most awesome results that I think they are. And besides that, I'm currently planning a somewhat large event that I'm going to announce when we cross the 20,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for this one. And this might be the weekend perhaps, we will see. What else is going to come is a longer video for perhaps Saturday or Sunday, I'm not sure yet, which will be more or less an oil painting or color pencil painting. I'm not really sure yet which one I'm going to upload, which will more or less be a slow painting demonstration without so much of a voiceover or tutorial-like thingy, more like watching me work by hearing some music or so. But as so many of you just wanted to get some time with me chatting along the video premiere, which we a couple of times do, and this is only about 40-15 minutes depending on how long my videos are, so this is a more or less 1 or 2 hour long video where we can just chat about things, I can answer questions and whatsoever. So this is the reason why I'm going to do this. And the water splashing noise that you might be able to hear every now and then in the background is our turtle. He just realizes that I'm here and hoping for some food, I guess. Which we'll get, of course. Besides that, I can tease you what is going to come for the next videos. I was very busy making some commissions, which I can show you, and some that I cannot show you. But at least I can show you some, and these will come as separate video, making of video, of course, very soon. Yes, you will get your food. Give me a second. First of them is going to be an acrylic pour, which I went out of my comfort zone again and stepped away from the blues and opted for a green. So I recently got a really cool dark green, which turned not as green as I hoped for this one, but the result is really pretty. So it's this one. And again, you can see the reflection of my fancy YouTube light, but I think you can still see the result. You're going to see the making of this one as well. I really like how this one turned out. And as of course there was leftover paint, I made 2 smaller ones, which also are kind of cool. Really like those as well. So dark green for me is kind of in the loop now as well. Kind of like this. The first commission piece that I did, and a couple of you might have already seen on Instagram if you are following me there. If not, why not? You should. I'm not that active there, but you can. Links are down below in the video description. And this is it. It was supposed to be in the greens, and I'm pretty happy with the result. Again, it's pretty hard to show because of the reflection of my YouTube light, but I think you get a point how it looks like. Really proud of this one. And the second one was Into the Blues. This one. Just finished yesterday. I really like how this one turned out, especially for this area and the 3D effect that I'm getting there. And of course I'm going to show you how I made this. For those of you who follow me longer might know how I made this. For those of you who don't follow me longer, you will see. Or watch the other videos. Yeah, I think this was it for today's video. I'm going to make me something to eat to at least get some of my heat back and do some stuff on the PC today. So I hope to see you on the weekend. I'm going to upload a video tomorrow so that you can perhaps schedule your time when I'm online to join me in the chat. would be super happy, of course. It will be around something in the late afternoon here German time, so perhaps about 6 or so 6 p.m., which might result in something like noon or late afternoon for you US guys, and I'm so bad with time zones. You will see when I upload a video. So thanks for joining today for this little video, and I hope you had some fun still, and I hope to see you very soon in my next videos and with the hopefully 20,000 subscribers event. So have a nice evening, have a nice rest of the week, and see you soon. Bye bye.